Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel benefits on Paycom. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel benefits on Paycom, the process depends on your employer's policies and timing of a request. In order to proceed it, first what you need to do is during open enrollment, if your employer is currently in an open enrollment period, you can make changes to your benefits directly through Paycom by simply logging into your Paycom account, and then once logged in, navigate to benefits section, then select benefits enrollment, and then review your current elections and make the desired changes or cancellations. Then once done, submit your updated selections for approval. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.